excited that you are here. You are here for the Envision Your Vision, Step into Your Next Chapter live workshop. It's an intention setting workshop, all for the second half of 2025. Now, I've been hosting this workshop for many years, and usually it's in January, where it's the start of the new year and everybody's starting their New Year's resolutions. And I'll be honest, I don't believe in New Year's resolutions. I don't think that they work. Usually people are gung-ho, they're excited, they're getting into the gym, whatever it is, starting January, and then February hits and people are over already. So this workshop, you are going to get crystal clear on what matters most for you for this next chapter of your life, releasing the weight of what's been holding you back from going after those wildest dreams that you have, creating a bold, soul-led vision for the rest of your year, and mapping out your aligned action steps. And this will allow you to fully go in with confidence, with momentum, with so many things that you want to walk away with feeling so empowered in this new year. And well, I mean, in this half part of the year, I'm sorry, it's not a new year yet, but preparing you for the new year, really, because at the end of the day, the way that you finish is the way that you're going to start something. And so I really believe, not to take this lightly, that those people that are slowing down, that have decided, oh, whatever, it doesn't matter about my dreams and my goals and whatnot, this is your time now. Okay. I'm speaking to you and I'm so excited that you said yes. What I would love for you to do is to be on the lookout for the emails, be on the lookout for the Zoom link for what's to come. If you cannot make it live, we do have a recording that's going to come. And if you do make it live, the good news is we have a bonus. We have a bonus. I'm going to send you my Envision Your Vision worksheet. And this is something that I do with my clients. This is something I do with my team every single year. This is something I do personally, and it has changed my entire life. So be there live. Plus, I want to feel your energy. I want to feel what it's like to be on the call and for all of us to be able to go to that next level together. And share this with a friend, because guess what? Those that have a friend to be able to go after their dreams and their goals with actually succeed even more, because you feel like you're not alone in it. So I'm so excited for you to be here, and go share with a friend. All right, I will see you on the workshop.